a long wire carries a steady current. It is bent into a coil of 1 turn. So we are having a long wire, say of length L, and when it is bent into a coil of 1 turn, that is N is equal to 1, such that magnetic induction at center is, we know magnetic field at the center of current carrying coil. What is magnetic field at the center of current carrying coil? Magnetic field at the center of any current carrying coil. Magnetic field at the center of any current carrying coil. It is given by formula B is equal to, what is the formula for magnetic field? B equal to mu 0 N into I divided by 2R. Since here it is converted into coil having 1 turn, therefore magnetic field at the center, it is B equal to mu 0 I divided by 2R. Mu 0 I divided by 2R. Now see what is given. That then the same wire is bent to form a coil of smaller radius of N turn. Means here original length of wire is L, and when it is bent into a coil of single turn, the length of wire is equal to circumference of circle 2 pi r. Same wire is used to convert into coil of smaller radius of N turn, means length of wire is same. Now how many turns are there? See here, instead of single turn, now we will have N number of turns of coil. So number of turns multiplied by, let the radius of each of these small turn is r dash. So the circumference of each turn is equal to 2 pi r dash. So we are having L equal to 2 pi r and L equal to what? Number of turns multiplied by what? Circumference of each smaller turn. So we can equate these two. So 2 pi r is equal to N times 2 pi r dash. So there is a 2 pi on both sides get cancelled, therefore we have r dash is equal to r by N. So magnetic field at the center of smaller coil, magnetic field at the center of what? Coil of smaller radii r dash, at its center is B dash is equal to mu 0 Ni, because here we are having N number of turns, mu 0 Ni divided by 2 times of r dash, mu 0 Ni divided by what? 2 times of r dash, but we know r dash is equal to r by N, therefore B dash is equal to mu 0 I into N divided by 2 times r dash is equal to r by N. So this N will goes in numerator, so we have mu 0 I divided by 2r, already we have N and this N comes in multiplication, so it is N square. But this bracket will represent mu 0 I upon 2r is nothing but magnetic field at the center of coil having single turn. Therefore B dash is equal to B times N square. B dash is equal to B times N square, or it is N square times of B. It is what? N square times of B. So which option is correct? Look at option C. B dash is equal to N square times of B. So C is the correct option for this question.